welcome to Synergy. I'm here with my friend Vex. Say hi, Vex.
Hi.
Yeah, we're just kind of freaking around. We only have one airboat, so we can't really go on them.
But you're the parkour master. You don't need that.
Yeah, we don't need that. I'm a freaking parkour master. Boom, watch this.
Also, where are we supposed to be at?
Oh.
Where are you supposed to be escaping from Ravenholm? Because I think this is way before Ravenholm.
Yeah, this is way before Ravenholm, bro.
Oh god, we're gonna have to experience. You're gonna have to experience that again.
Oh, trust me. There are too many lean drinkers. Plus, we don't call it Ravenholm on my YouTube channel. We call it
No,
Lean Town.
Lean Town. Okay,
Yeah,
I
because they
follow.
drink all the lean, bro. They drink too
All
much
right.
lean and then they just turn into zombies.
Yeah.
Happens.
Oh, so I need help. I'm dying.
You shouldn't have eaten those rockets, bro. That's what.
I was totally fine, you piece of shit.
No, you're just freaking eating rockets. That's what you're doing.
What are you talking about? I am not. What are you talking about,
You
man?
were eating rockets to the face. I saw you. You were absorbing the rockets.
What are you talking
Yeah,
about,
guys,
bro?
we logged onto the server and like he was just absorbing the rockets as we went on.
I don't know what he's talking about. He's
Also,
lying.
guys, I have a bit of mods installed, and it's Demo Man as Vex. Oh yeah, also I want to tell you another thing. This is Synergy. It's a really cool Half-Life 2 mod. You should play it for yourself. Anyways, just keep on going. Oh, it's this part. Oh, Vex, get underwater.
Oh.
This is deep underwater, bro. Hold on. I never actually gone underwater in this map. I used to just use Gregory. You know who Gregory is, right? If you don't, you're not a true part.
Was it like the airboat?
Yeah, it was the airboat. Good job. You know.
The mud skipper.
Oh, the next part that we're gonna have to do with that. Did you seriously die? You're so bad.
Shut up, I have 20 health.
No rock will bypass me. No rock will stop me. I'm the parkour master. Cuts open with a knife. Alright, let's keep on going. Yes! I'm too strong, ain't I, Vex? Oh, I just...
That's gonna get you killed, you know.
Yeah, I know. I don't care, really. I have a revolver now and you don't. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, I'm just gonna do Impulse 101.
Whoop! Oh. Die. Oh, hi there, Vex. Let's keep on going. You just saw nothing. I need this. Yeah, you just bust those open. Let's keep on going. Oh, this part is a bad part. I don't like this part. Alright, let's keep on going. What the frick? Helicopter time. Helicopter time. Parkour master can go through, though.
Oh, boxes. Oh!
Vex, come on.
Oh no, helicopter! Helicopter! Oh no!
Catch up, Vex.
Catch up! Just let me catch up, bro. I need ketchup. I mean, I like mustard, but...
Oh, no. Get out of the way. Did you see that guy? He was just in our way. Oh, I remember this part.
Oh yeah, we were dying so hard when we last played. I last played this part. Oh!
You're just getting shot at and shot at by freaking Metro.
Oh my god! It's like, bro!
Like, bro, give me a break. I'm just knifing them. Should I be doing that?
I mean, if you want to.
That's probably the reason I'm getting killed, but that could just be me.
Come on. Alright, I made it to the part.
Oh, let me get shot at by a helicopter.
No, I'm getting raped by manhacks.
Oh, yeah, very fun part. Oh, yeah, by the way, guys, I got raped by manhacks in the second part, in the second Half-Life 2 video I made. It was terrible. I hated it. It was my least favorite part.
Yeah, I remember. Your manhacks was your biggest enemy.
They still kind of are.
Oh!
But right now, my biggest enemy is filling the freaking next Half-Life 2 episode. Yeah, guys, it's just filler. Because every time I've been trying to record the next Half-Life 2 video, it's just gone downhill, hasn't it, Vex? You'd know about it. I need this the most. I had 4 health. This is a nice little refresh before I get shot by a helicopter. Alright, let's keep on going.
Alright, keep on. Helicopter.
I remember this is the part where Dr. Dumb told me that man screaming meme was actually from a porn video. I remember that. Classical parkour master moment. Okay, Vex, we gotta go up this ladder, bruh. Then we get surprise attacked by the combine, but not actually surprise attacked, apparently. Okay, let's keep going. Gotta shoot down this helicopter. Die. I said die. See, look, and then it's gonna come this freaking way. And then we gotta get this. Is it gonna come my way again? I don't think it is. Vex, what are you even shooting at?
The helicopter.
Bruh. Okay.
What?
You're good, bro. You're good.
I just gotta make sure.
Alright, we gotta go. Boom. That did something.
Oh, someone's opening that.
I opened that. Alright, gotta go, Vex.
Come on.
By the way, Vex, this next part is going to be a pain. You're going to be shot at by a helicopter while swimming in water. So, are you ready?
Where's the helicopter?
Alright, let's go, Vex. Get a kill. Bruh. Vex! I'll leave you up to that. I'm just gonna go without you.
Okay, I'm done. Alright.
Jump over the fence.
I don't know why the helicopter was like invincible, bro. Like I saw it.
Alright, so this is going to be a longer ride than if we used Gregory, because
Yeah, I don't care. I really don't care.
hey, at least we got land to walk on right now. Let's go ahead and change.
I told you that helicopter was gonna come back. Come on, face me. Come on.
Bang! That was so close to hitting, wasn't it?
Alright, bye, helicopter.
What the frick, back?
I just told you. Me damaging that helicopter a bunch was gonna do something.
Yeah.
I just gave the driver retardedness.
Oh yeah, see, look, it's retarded.
Yeah, I'll just ignore that. No, it's my ammo box. My ammo box.
No!
No! So, are we safe?
No, we're not safe. We're never safe if it's Half-Life 2. You know this by now.
But my dick is hurting though.
I know. It's about to rot off. Don't worry, mine did. Told you I'm the parkour master. Ah!
Shut up! I was fucking rolling and like jumping jumping on bars.
Oh, it's not retarded anymore. Oh no. Oh. It's still retarded?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You just don't want the metro police to hear that.
Wait, hold on a second.
They're gonna come beat you up.
Oh, wait.
Oh no.
Yeah, we kinda. This is a bit of a oopsie.
Alright. Oh!
Oh god.
Top is glued on the wall, bro! Keep going. Come on, I got this. Oh, come on.
I got this. Come on. Oh, yes, a loading zone.
Sorry. Pizza's delivered.
Let's go. We got through that part.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we know through the tunnels with acid, we just hang on to the side for dear life.
Yeah.
We don't need Gregory. Why is there just a raccoon whenever I load in?
Nah, I kinda wanna know. I mean.
Okay, whatever. Yes. I'm going, since mine is Gregory, I'm going to
Oh no!
Thompson. I'm going to
How'd you get here?
Oh, it's unretarded.
Oh no, it's
very
both of them.
unretarded. No, oh wait, I don't think that's the way I'm supposed to go. Oh no.
The wrong way. I thought you went through this path before.
Oh yeah, I did, but I kind of forgot. You know, it's been like a week, 2 weeks actually. So I kind of forgot a little bit. Okay, yeah, then we go this way. Obviously.
Dean, Bean, go. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Oh.
No! Bro, you're so dumb. Just eat the bombs, bro. Like, you gotta be...
I like how you say that, and then that just
God
happens.
damn it. I guess I lost my limbs too.
Yeah, you did. What the frick? There's 2 of them! Wait, no!
I know, right?
That's not in the original game. No, that's not in the original game.
Just keep going. Zippix, just act like the second one doesn't exist.
Are you still with me, man?
I'm right behind you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, gosh. No. We gotta go back. Whoa, el bebe muchacho. Come on, Vex. I'm accidentally swiping and craving. Gregory, what kind of smoking are you? Gregory, what kind of crack are you smoking today, man? Why are you drifting like that? Yes! Oh, wait, Bert! Oh, Bert!
Come on! Yes!
No, Vex, wait on me.
Alright. I think he's behind me.
No, I'm not. Vex, wait. I'm gonna get the frick back up there, bro.
I think he's behind me. Wait!
Bert!
Wait, I think he's behind me. Wait, he isn't?
Wait, he isn't? Saber's changing level. You left me behind. Why is there a raccoon in my face? Alright, let's keep on going. I don't have an airboat. Bert!
Let's just keep on moving, bro, without the airboat.
Yeah, we don't need airboats.
Oh no. Okay, just crouch. Just crouch.
The
Fucking
rest of that is
dumbass.
literally just poisonous water.
So we need the airboat. I'm getting it first. I'm getting it first.
Vex, no. Vex.
I'm so sorry.
Vex. I'm riding on with you. Yes.
I'm so sorry, Zippix.
Yes, come on, Gregor. You came just in time to save me.
Oh no.
You went into the wrong part. Oh no, wait, that was the right part.
Yes.
No, I got an airboat. Wait up. Gregory came in just in time, Vex.
Let's go.
No, wait, why are you leaving me, bro? Oh, I'm doing a sick drift, ain't I, Gregory? Take the police, bro.
But the police coming straight from the upper ground.
Oh no.
Alright. Go up. Just down. Oh.
Bushwalk. Max. Bro, please leave me alone. Hey there, Vex.
Hi.
Why'd you really try to leave me behind like that? It wasn't cool. I
I thought.
know.
Man, how did you even get an airboat, bro?
It just spawned. Gregory came just in time. Just don't even worry about it.
Gregory has some superpowers or whatever.
Yeah, he does. He has teleportation powers. How'd you know?
Okay, if I just... No, what's this do?
It goes down. That's what it does. Oh wait, no. I'm gonna go into the acid. Oh, ow, that burned.
Alright.
Alright, Vex, you got yours.
Yeah. Oh,
You go this way, right?
oh,
Oh,
oh.
ow.
Maybe? No, I think we go this way. Wait.
Imagine
Okay.
this door shuts on us.
Oh no! I'm getting PTSD!
Oh no. You guys won't get the reference. Everybody watching.
Oh no!
Ooh, what the frick?
Damn!
How
Just go for it! No one cares!
No one cares about it. Why did I say my leg?
Come on, I just want to get to Eli's lab.
It's going to be a very hard task, apparently. What the frick? What the frick? What the frick? Oh, Vex, are you getting exploded?
Yeah, I'm absorbing them again!
Don't absorb the explosions. That's
Oh,
a bad idea.
oh god!
You can't absorb explosions. You're not freaking X-Men.
Oh, pizza's here.
Bruh, did you see me just crash into you?
Yeah, I just saw that at the side of my screen.
Just mindlessly crashing into you.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess pizza's here.
Pizza's here. I
Oh,
love it whenever I see raccoon in my face as soon as I go into the server. Alright.
oh, my bones hurt.
Ah, no, this part. This part, Vex. This part. Vex, can you stand on that elevator real quick?
No. I'm kidding.
Stand on the elevator.
Oh, we just,
Stand on
Bean?
the elevator? Yeah, we just gotta
You
find
know-
the props and put them inside. I was going to make you stand on the elevator and then leave you behind as a funny and then come back, but... Yeah.
I don't think you would be able to come back.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, that's a pretty... No. Don't leave me behind, Vex. Okay, we gotta find more props. We gotta find more props and put them inside of the thing. What are you doing? Are you okay?
Oh, I'm getting boat raped by a zombie!
Bruh, why is there even a zombie? Where is the zombie at? He drank too much lean, bro. That's it.
Oh, thank you. Oh, who is this
Oh,
guy?
he did. He just drank too much lean, Vex. That's the only problem. Only problem that's wrong. Oh, I see how it is. This is a puzzle. So basically, you can't put stuff inside the elevator.
We get it.
Alright, Vex. Come on, man. Grab your
Hold up.
airboat or get one, and then we can go.
Hold up. Ugh. Let me just get
Vex, I think my airboat's stuck, bro. Oh,
washer machine!
yes.
Oh!
Vex,
Oh, shit. Ah.
Vex,
Yeah. Oh, God!
Vex.
Oh, there you go. Who needs an airboat?
I mean, you
Who
kinda
need-
do.
God damn it.
Wait, Vex, I know what
Oh,
we need to do.
Billy Joopy Bob.
I know what we need to do, Vex.
My airboat is called Billy Joopy
We've
Bob.
gotta take all of this stuff out, all the props
Alright,
out.
see you later.
Vex, I swear to God, if you actually do that. What? Yeah! Vex, can you, like, take this props that I'm pulling up into the... Vex, did you seriously go on without me, bro?
Alright, I'm going without you. Alright, I think he's behind me again.
Vex, I hate you so much.
I think he's behind me. Oh! Okay, I'll wait for you, actually. I'll actually wait for you. I ain't Gordon Freeman, my name is Jimble Jibble Bob.
Why
My name
does
is Jimble.
this keep on changing? What the frick?
You good, bro?
Vex, it's really mean of you to leave me behind like that. Like, I think that's...
Wait, bro, why are they calling me Gordon Freeman? My name is Jimble Bob. My
My
name
name
is
is the
Jimbo.
Yeah, I don't know why they call me Gordon Freeman either. My name is the parkour master. It's like,
My name is. Last name,
yeah, like bruh.
like, bruh. You're having really trouble with that, bro.
Yes, I am, guys. Yes, I am. Hey, what the frick? No, don't let it close on me. Oh, hi there, Vex.
Alright, hi. How you doing?
Vex, what the frick, bro? We're being so abusive to our airboats, aren't we? Alright, let's just follow this guy. Why are you hitting him?
I'm giving him brain damage.
Did my damage? Okay.
What kind of fucking mirror is this? Hold up. You're just gonna want to move a little bit.
This here's the stand. It's just
What the frick, man?
Eli's hideout is here, a stone's throw from the apron and nestled in the old hydro plant. But getting there,
Let me try to put this crate on top of his
your
head.
ass next to
What is it?
impossible. Good news is, the Vortigaunt's working his magic on your airboat, so you'll have a little more firepower going forward. I think he's just finishing up now. Go on
I
out.
think we're gonna have to have a boss fight with a freaking helicopter. Vex, what are you doing, bro? I'm trying to put this on his head. Oh, it won't work. Vex, get out of my way. I'm trying to put this on his head.
It's not working.
I had it!
I'm trying
Alright,
to suck his dick, but he just won't comply, bro. Oh, what's going on?
There we are. That gun came off one of the same hunter choppers that you're up against.
Vex, I don't think you have a gun. Oh, you do.
Take that chopper down, and you should be able to tear on through.
Why are we bullying that innocent man? Vex, what the frick, bro? What are you... Lift that up right now. I want to get out of here.
Well, sit up, woman. Thanks, Slate.
Freaking! First thing I do, I get pulled out of my airboat.
Oh, I guess Citrix is behind me.
Bruh.
Alright, I'm not leaving you. Oh, no.
So gay. Yeah, let's really teach him something, shouldn't we?
Oh, so you want to mess with us?
Oh yeah, huh? Oh yeah, that's right. We're voice to be beckoned with. Vex, I'm kind of not behind you. By the way, guys, comments are disabled on my newest video because YouTube doesn't like me. So yeah.
What's this? Fuck.
Why are you saying my leg? Okay.
Oh, my leg!
Why would you just directly? Why are you saying my arm? What?
My gut! My dick!
I
my
knew
dick.
you would say that, Pex.
Oh, my ass hurts!
Get out of my. Oh no! I just ran you over, bro. Get out of my way.
I'm the real Slim Shady.
Vex, are you behind me? Yeah, you're behind me. Oh no, oh wait, I'm at 4 health. That's not good. Vex, wait on me, bro. Vex, Jesus Christ, you're so far ahead. Like, you're so far ahead, it's not even cool. Do you even know what you're supposed to do? Vex, listen, this is what you do. Watch and you put your
I'm getting behind you, by the way. Yeah, I saw what I was supposed to do.
Oh, what the frick? Combine everywhere, combine everywhere. I'm just getting smacked,
Okay,
smacked,
fuck you.
smacked. Yes, loading zone. Oh wait.
Slap my dick in the ass.
What? What does that even mean, bro?
I don't know. I just said it.
You
Bro,
just
it's
said,
4:25.
bruh, you just said slap my dick in the ass. Like, what does that even mean?
Alright, let's go.
Going back.
Let's just keep.
Ah,
I see an enemy.
that's me.
I see an enemy. It's
Ayo.
Puff Puff Plush.
You're a Puff Puff Plus 2, buddy.
Uh-oh. What the hell, God? Why are you absorbing rockets for you?
I literally just ate those rockets. That's what I just did.
Dude, it's not healthy for you, man. Why are you absorbing rockets? Oh my God, there's murder that thing.
Make sure not to get that off your fucking seat.
Onion rings.
Oh no! Why'd you just randomly say onion rings?
I just want some
I
cheeseburgers
just
just
murdered
to
a
eat.
zombie. Okay.
I just want some cheeseburgers just to eat.
I'm dead apparently.
Imagine dying. Couldn't be me. Alright, I'm stealing Typic's stuff.
How could you even steal my stuff? This is Half-Life 2.
Your loot is right on the floor.
What the frick? I'm getting rockets shot at me still? What? Instruction player put mustard inside of my ass.
Put my dick inside of my ass. I guess I'm stealing Typic's stuff. Like it's Fortnite.
This isn't Fortnite, this is Half-Life 2, bro, and I'm the
This is Fortnite now. I accidentally took all of your stuff, by the way. So, actually, I think it was just ammo. My arm. I guess the picture's behind me.
I'm kind of not, though.
Oh, wait, are we at Platinum? Are we at Eli's lab? No, we aren't.
Not even close, actually. I like how I say no, where are you, and then it's just Carnivorous Vex is dead.
No, we aren't. I'm going for the fire.
Yeah, we don't even care at this point. Yeah, just go through all the explosive barrels. Yeah, pick it. Pick it. Just pick it.
Yeah, fuck those explosive barrels. We're the strongest men alive. Yeah. Oh shit! I'm at like 11 health, bro. Oh.
I'm at like 11 health. Carnivorous Vex is dead.
Alright, I guess we're going into the fire again, like smart boys.
Whee! Oh no, this part.
Ding 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 ding.
Oh yeah, I know where to go now.
Ding ding
Okay.
ding 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 ding. Bitch. Banana. Banana. Suck my banana.
Somebody like get this container off, please. Oh, I think I know what I need to do. Get me out of my car.
An enemy!
There we go.
An enemy!
Max, let me get back inside my airboat.
Enemy! An enemy!
We go through here. That's where we go.
An enemy!
Oh yeah. By the way, Max, this is the part where I raged at in the unreleased footage. Oh no!
I just said the whole.
Bro, the airboat is very hard to fit inside of here. Okay, listen.
It's like me inserting my dick.
Can you not shoot rockets at me and expect me to fit through a tight hole?
Alright, I fit through it. My dick fits through it.
Yeah, that's it. And plus, your dick is really small, so I fit through.
Alright, I'm guessing Typix was beyond me.
not, though.
Alright, I'm going through. Alright, let me check behind me. Oh wait, you with me behind me?
Alright, guys, well, sadly, that's going to be the end for today's video. Alright, Vex, say bye, and, yeah.
187.544.